So I know we'll do a little bit different, sweetie, on this one. Yeah, it doesn't have to be matching, but it's gonna be the same design. Okay. So here is for you to apply the chains on. I would go ahead and place the chains on. You can put the top coat on. You can put the top coat on first and then put the chains, or you can put the chains on only, because you know why? Because it's okay for us to top coat on the top of the chains, but not on the crystal. You don't want to doing it happen in the crystals at all. So I'm gonna move it just a little bit. I feel it's just so excited. Pull down just a little bit. All right, let's give one's frame. Oops. Here's my frame. She's had a smaller hand, so I'm gonna put her smaller frame right there. But if like my fingers, I usually put the bigger ones, but hers here has a smaller fingernails. And I will leave the chains right here, and after here we are going to trim it. All right, we're gonna cure quick, like quick 30 seconds. Quick 30 seconds. So just for your information, if you are just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live video tutorial. I did this one, this foil first, and I did the yellow first I did the yellow acrylic, and I'm using a transfer foil gels, which is the iHo transfer foil gels, and cure for 30 seconds, and then I apply the transfer foil on, take it off, and apply the top coat. Here now what's it? You can go right into the clear, but sometimes the monomer can really wipe completely off the transfer foil. So I apply the top coat on, and the top coat is only like 30-second flash cure, and then I apply the nude colors and ombre that from a nude to yellow. Great. So that's one that looks cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim that. This is really sharp. I don't want to clip her nails. Okay. So before that, this is a little bit different than usually you apply, but however you doing it the same we're showing you is great as well. I'm gonna do a precision glue first, because it's a matter, because I want to coat and tie this frame and it won't hurt it at all. I'm gonna go here because I don't want it to catching on her hair or her clothes. She still have school online to do, and then her chores, so definitely she's gonna need this, right, Isabella? Yeah. Okay, now you cure quick for 60 seconds. If you do that, it will never come off, well, unless she's break her nails. Otherwise they won't come off, I promise. Lunula, do you get the trimmer? The trimmer, this one is crystal. I think a crystal remover clipper. If you go in the page, and then it's 25% off right now. It's going on right now. This is amazing. I using it to clip. If you see me the other day, one of my live videos, I did take whole entire my crystal off with no painful at all. It's just the crystal stay on the top of your nail, so you never have to worry about is like holding your nail bed or anything at all. Unique nails, what do you use to glue it? I'm using condensed glue gels. This really thick density. You can see that how it doesn't move. It really amazing. It's designed for chain, charms, crystal, flat back, 3Ds. And then with this one, I am going to using no wipe top coat. And just coated it. We only do this, the coated on the top of the condensed glue gel and the chains only with the chains and charms. But if you have crystals, we're gonna using a different way. So this way, okay, great. Seal right there. Here for 60 seconds. I do one nails, but if we usually with the clients, if I see the clients at the salon, I do two nail first. I usually do 2 of this first and 2 of this, or depend on the clients get all of them. But if they get all 10 nails, I usually do 2 first and then 2 next, and then this one I do the last. Or either way, I doing the thumb first and do this too, because I don't want all the crystals gonna be like moving, or because it's a different angle that you're holding your thumb. So we're gonna do that once, and then we'll do the bees, and then we're doing this cute ones. We're gonna do like we can do this two together, the bees and the bars. Is doesn't take that much time, but I just didn't want you to be like confused, just in case. The bling though, I know, right? Thanks so much, Tina. I'm so inspired by you with the beautiful the French looks, like a 3D French. It's amazing.